This is Kel once again this afternoon. Okay. Okay, guys. Let me just put on. Hi, guys. I think everybody will know that we have something just happened in Singapore, right? Apparently, we are like going to CB, but not CB. Apparently, all right. So I just saw on news that that the what do you call stocks mark the Singapore stock that just came off, and also the Sheng Siong, all right, the supermarket stock price has just shot up. And my friend just texted me and said that now the website, okay, the Sheng Siong website for you to order food is down. Okay, so imagine that. Oh my God. So again, guys, this is what always happens in Singapore. When it happens, and the thing always repeat on its own. All right, so now you understand. Maybe next time it's all right. Whenever you have such a thing again, you should buy Sheng Siong stock to keep just before this happen. All right, so good afternoon to all of you. So I think that is very clear, guys. Afternoon MAO, you'll be at home now watching me. Okay, morning MAO, afternoon MAO, be watching me, and we should be trading in the market. Just trade at home, make money, and that'll be best for you guys. Safe and sound. Agreeable? All right, once again, all right, I'm not going to wrap it up further. Let's just start our this afternoon MAO right now. Okay, so guys, make sure that you guys stay safe at home, okay? No need to stock up all this food. We went through this before. Just relax a little bit. Let those people who are more kiasu and buy. You just do all your necessary stuff later, okay? But more important thing is that take care of your kids, all right? I can see the virus do hit the kids. So make sure you take care of your kids. That is more important, all right? Okay, so the thing is this, today is 14th of May, Friday. Thank God it's Friday today. And afternoon MAO, DOGECOIN, right? DOGECOIN, right? DOGECOIN. There's always this two pronunciation for this, apparently. Right, then let's just follow one of them. Okay, all right, DOGECOIN. All right, now this can we buy? Now, what do you think, guys? What do you think? Can we buy? Can you buy this coin now? You know what's the price now? Now it's about 51 cents, 52 cents. What do you think? Is this DOGECOIN? DOGECOIN? Is it a buy? If yes, please key the word buy. If you think it's not, just key the word not, N-O-T. All right, let me see what's your reply, guys. Let me see your reply. What you're buying right now? Or what do you think? Okay, Colin say nope. Okay, how about the rest? Not by Kevin. Okay. Eric say not. Okay. Fred not. Okay. How about the rest? Let me see. So today, now we have more, all five no. Kelly Pua, yes. Eugene scared, no. Women say no. Jimmy say nope, okay. All right, the thing is this, okay, I've been asked, not sure in month. Eugene say no, okay. Now the thing is that quite a good of people have been asking me, Kel, what do you think? Now, I will say this upfront here, my personal point is this, if this DOGECOIN, all right, or DOGECOIN, okay, if DOGECOIN, let me simple, DOGECOIN, if DOGECOIN do come down, all right, every 5 cents, I'll be looking to buy some. So now at 50 cents, I'll buy some, 45 cents, I buy some, 40 cents, I buy some, 35 cents, I buy some. Yeah, you just heard me. All right. Yeah, indeed. All right. Of course, some people say going to buy the SHIB, the Shiba Inu, the one I showed you 2 weeks ago. You can consider that also if you want to. Now, let me explain to you why am I looking at this counter, the DOGECOIN. All right, let's take a look. Now, before we start this afternoon MAO, once again, please note that you guys must know your current financial condition before engaging into trading. Okay. All right. Do take note of that. All right, the thing is this, you must understand, dear friends, that now the stock market, equity market is buoyant because of the amount of money that's available, right, through the Federal Reserve QE. So of course, there's this saying that in the moment there's any tapering happening, because now the interest rate potential is going to be high because of inflation is really creeping up in America. So if let's say US Federal Reserve is going to say this, that okay, guys, we need to taper this. there will be a sudden knee-jerk effect. There will be a sudden handbrake. And of course, there will be a movement, downward movement on cryptocurrency. It will likely happen. Then at that moment itself, it all depends on whether people are still going to go out or people are going to stay at home to do their dealing. And of course, later on the second part, right, then this cryptocurrency will be more into the limelight. All right, though basically because of that itself, right? Okay, so if you're going to continue hearing me, you please read this through this disclaimer. If you're okay and accepted the above, all right, and you identify me, all right. I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I saw Kelly Pua, big buy, buying Dogecoin. Wow, buy a lot, nah. Okay, Jerry say he will buy small. Huh? All right, no, we'll buy now. Okay, all right. Now, before we start, thank you guys once again. All right, our event tomorrow. Right, tomorrow, the event. This is the last time you'll hear about this because why? That's the last time you want to do tomorrow. All right, tomorrow, this event, we have now 237 people have registered, and the number is still increasing. Thank you guys. I saw a lot of good friends of mine on Facebook have all forwarded this thing and let many people know. And we also have received a lot of people from Malaysia coming in. Thank you guys once again. You guys are solid, okay? So the thing is this, if you want to know more what will be shared tomorrow, what coin am I particularly looking at itself, right? You know, stay tuned, all right? Stay down all the way for this MAO, okay? All right, now the thing is this, on the news yesterday, you can see from the news, okay, Dogecoin fall 15% to below 40 cents, okay? That was what happened on Thursday, all right? It happened on Thursday, and Dogecoin went down to 40 cents and below, okay? So people got panicked because why? Because Tesla CEO and crypto booster Elon Musk said that, right, they're not going to use Bitcoin. And because of that itself, right, this caused Bitcoin to also fall, all right? It fell. And then immediately itself, people get worried and they think that since Elon Musk likes this Dogecoin, so they also sold the Dogecoin away. I'm telling you this in my personal opinion itself, right? This is expected. This is something that we all know will happen. And I tell you this, if history going to repeat itself, right, you may be seeing somewhere the low price again. That means that, right, there is a possibility that we are actually seeing the lower part of the cycle as usual, because that is always like that. There's always no news that brought the market higher. Then it's where the so-called news come in, it bring the market go to a high level. Then when it comes down, it's always all the negative news, very bad, there's no way to buy and stuff like that. And that is where the price, yet come a very good time to buy. So apparently now what you can see on the news, Elon Musk have been texting a lot on Twitter. All right, he's like doing like the second Donald Trump doing all this. And he's saying that, okay, Bitcoin a bit of concern, and it's a fossil fuel that is concerning factor and stuff like that. And come on, I mean, seriously, we all know that, right? Bitcoin, even you really have to harvest one coin. Yes, it uses some electricity, but it's not going to be a lot as compared. But again, I will not want to go forward with that. So we all know that Dogecoin went out to 70 cents. And after that, after the NBC SNL, it came down below 50 cents. Then after that, when Elon Musk talked about this, not accepting Bitcoin for Tesla, straight away the price dropped off the cliff to 40 cents. So the question is this, all right, because of this ongoing right now, even we see on our China News Asia, there was a very interesting article that tell you that, right, Dogecoin and why we should quit taking cryptocurrency seriously. Wow, okay. So now they're telling people that, right, you shouldn't take this as a real thingy. Say that, right, buying crypto is like a skin to gambling, and gambling usually don't come out well. Okay, so I was just wondering, how about just tell the people in RWS then? All right, so the thing is this, while they are saying that, well, this is not going to be, there's no coincidence, okay? This is actually something that is a bubble, a mania. And of course, this is because it causes people to bet, very heavily, like a tribe. So end of the day is that this is more like a joke than not. Well, all I can say is that maybe not. All right. My personal take is if the market is going to be buying, it's not going to stop. All right. Yes, indeed. The recent time of the coins is going nuts. I got a friend of mine who launched a coin themselves. Okay, just a couple of them combined together. You know what happened? All right, the counter was worth $1. All right, and less than 3 weeks now, it's worth $76. This is how crazy this world has happened. But again, it's not going to stop. I tell you that. So then maybe this is why you can see the price now. Yes, I just got this price. So just one day ago was at 40 cents. And today it's at 52 cents. Oh my God, look at it, up by 33% in just one single day. So what is the reason? So basically it's right, they're speculating that this is what happened. Well, SpaceX say that they will accept Dogecoin as a payment to launch Doge 1 mission to Moon next year. But you must understand, this article was already available on Sunday. Yes, 4 or 5 days ago. So the thing is this, what have you do with that? So I tell you guys, this is all a bit of BS. When they want the price to go down, they'll throw in a lot of stuff to them, and everybody will say that it's lousy, dangerous stuff. But what they do themselves, they are the one that's buying. So you imagine that is what I'm actually saying right now. So Elon Musk has been very active. You can see, to be clear, I strongly believe in crypto. It can be drive a massive increase in fossil fuel use, especially coal, okay, and this part here. But then he changed to this one. After that, he updated. And about 1 hour and a half later, working with Doge developers to improve system transaction efficiency, potentially promising, wow, okay, so you see that. This is how brilliant he is. I think I tell you that he's really the man of the hour. He just knows what to do. So it's really what I saw before, what Donald Trump had did to the stock market, right? From 18,000, brought it up to 33,000, right? It's doing the same thing, twittering. So if that is going to be your what do you call as a similar pattern, then you should know what will happen to these coins, all right? So my personal take is this, right? It's still too early to call. So this gentleman, remember this guy, this Gabriel, all right, Glaber, all right? He is the Dogecoin millionaire. Remember, he was like up 1 million, and recently when the market came off, he buy more, and now he's involved as much as now his value that he's having is $2 million worth. So this guy is like basically sitting there every day doing almost nothing and then just buy coin. And now he's up by $2 million. Hey guys, how's your work life? So think about this, my friend. He says that, right? He bought about 180,000 on February the 5th. Just that means 3 months ago. 3 months ago, he used 180,000 to buy Dogecoin. And now at the time was 4.5 cents. And now what's the price now? Now it's 50 cents. Just this alone has already become 2 mil. Oh my God. So isn't that the same? And this guy's telling you this is the same thing again and again and again. People hide up after it crash, he's sideways, and then it go up again. So familiar? Very familiar. That's why you need a system to help you and guide you. So how many of you now is going to buy Dogecoin? So anyway, this is what's happening now. And my personal take is this. I still believe that Dogecoin will go to $1. I'm going to put my word there. And I'm going to be upfront here. I still believe that Dogecoin go $1, but I'm not that keen to chase after it right now. I don't mind staggered buying like 50 cents, 45, 40 cents, 35 cents, okay? I am saying my point here, all right? So disclaimer as usual, you guys go and do your thing, okay? Now, definitely on this side, right, if the whole hype is about, Bitcoin spending a lot of money because of the electricity being used, then maybe the coin that don't use a lot of electricity, maybe you can consider. All right, so this is the next coin that we're looking at, Cardano. Remember? Now, all the students who basically got a little gift, the ADA, all right, we gave it to you. All right, not a lot of money, but it's a token appreciation and also a valuable tip. Now, back then when we gave to you the price of about $1.62 or lower, I can't remember exactly, but now it's much higher, right? Today it's much higher now. So the reason why Cardano now is actually one of the more sought after because it's the most sustainable cryptocurrency. It's a proof of stake consensus mechanism, and its founder says the network consumed only 6 gigawatts of power. Wow, that's so low. And now the thing is that the players are now looking at this like a diamond in the rough, and they're saying that right now this particular coin can go up to $2, and some of them look at $4.50. Some of them look at $2.73. Now, for me, my target itself is $3. Okay, my target by end of this year is $3. Okay, my personal target. All right. So I've been very open. I've been telling you guys. So this is my target by 2021. Okay, and 2021. Okay, so I write it down for you. So what's the current price right now for Cardano? Let's take a look. Did I do that PowerPoint? Let's see. Oops, sorry, I didn't do that. Let me just bring it live for you now. Okay, moment. Okay, let's bring it in. There we go. Well, last price now, we are trading about, wow, so high. Let me just double check. Okay, yeah. It's about trading at $1.84. All right. The high, it went out the high of almost 192, 198, in fact. Wow, 198, then it came back off a little bit. All right, so this is my particular take here. I believe that this is how I see it. I believe that this counter will go higher, all right, to $3 by the end of this year. All right, this is my personal take. All right, so let's see whether what I say will make sense or not. Okay, Eugene, you're saying that what is the Dogecoin intrinsic value? No value. There's no value to this. It's just a hype. All right, but this hype itself, if this dear Elon Musk can really, change it around, things can really change. Okay. All right. So remember, guys, I will be talking about one particular coin during my sharing, especially at the second part of the later part of the session. So if you are attending this event, please stay on until the last minute, okay? Especially the last 15 minutes. That's the most important part of the entire event, because there will be things given to you. You really need to be around and you need to participate so that you can actually, get the benefit of it. So you guys must stay tuned, okay? There will be things given out, right? You will want it definitely for sure, okay? All right, so let's just look at the last 2 days. Yesterday's trading. Now, this is Bitcoin. Now, yesterday, Bitcoin, we have a pretty nice up trade first. The KCX turns, you can see over here. It's not the it's not the crypto, not the crazy coin launch, don't worry. When it's going to be launched, it'll be much louder than this. Okay, so you can see over here, this is what happened. KCX blink. All right, you wait for the color change to see CCRY, and immediately the counter like Bitcoin went up. Then, of course, there were a loss. We do the same thing. When it happened, the market didn't go up, so we lost money. Then after that, another KCX happened. You waited for a while, then you buy into this, the trade went up. So it's as simple as that, okay? Sometimes we don't make. As you can see, we put there, we don't make. Sometimes we make. So for Bitcoin yesterday, we have 4 trades. In total, 2 win, 2 losses. All right, so net break even. Okay, that's for this Bitcoin. Then for Ethereum was a bit better. Ethereum, right, we went in to buy 2 times very nicely. Ethereum gave us the profits. So same concept, you just need to wait for the KCX to blink. Then after that, wait for color change, CCRY to go in to buy. Of course, there's still losses sometimes, but eventually, most of the time, we do see profit. So yesterday for Ethereum was 5 trades, 3 wins. All right, we are still waiting for AIM side to be ready. So we are only just watching the market, but at least we know that if we have traded, we have made money overall yesterday. Okay, so guys, you just have to do it on your own. All right, if your own, whichever broker are you using right now, or you can just actually get yourself ready and prepare. Now, my personal take is that with this ongoing problem now, there is a higher chance that more people will be going to trade crypto very soon. So guys, you should be taking advantage of this. Okay, so that will be the fun part. Let's go to TA point now for the cryptocurrency market. Let's go now. Okay, now look at the day chart for crypto, Bitcoin. Now, from the way you are seeing now the Bitcoin, they've been down for 2 days in a row. There is a small possibility that we're going to see the KCX soon. Now, the last time the KCX blink, you can see here, the market bottomed out. And then after that, the Bitcoin went higher, right? You see my point? The market bottomed out and Bitcoin went up. So if the next time we're going to see this happening again, we may be able to buy somewhere around here maybe. And then again, we will look for buy. All right. So guys, you need to stay tuned. Okay. You need to stay tuned to our afternoon MAO, or you must have the TWB indicator, because this is going to help you guys to make a lot of money from cryptocurrency. Because if Bitcoin start to move higher, generally the market will go higher. All right. So that's why watch out for this. I believe we are going to get nearer and nearer. All right. So stand by, my friends, stand by. So that is Bitcoin. Now look at this Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum. Okay, hold on. I'm just reading all what Evan had just typed. Now, this is day chart for it. Now, Everybody take a look. The last time when this happened, when it was a buy, it was here during the 20th of March, just recently. That was where the Ethereum was trading at about 1,006. And imagine this, all the way from 1,006, it went all the way up to 4,003. Oh my God. So the next time you see KCX again, you will know what to do, right? Now, at the moment now, the whales are buying quite a fair bit. So now we are going to see a potential CCRY, red to yellow formation. Now, the last time we see CCRY on a day chart, usually the next 2-3 days, there's follow-up buying. So I'm watching this Ethereum very closely. And who knows, if we are lucky, we may see it turning yellow by Monday or Tuesday. And then after that, right, we can buy it from the low. All right, guys, so get ready your trading account. You may really love to see this, okay? So today's intraday, let's take a look at intraday now. Now, Ethereum now, there is a KCX, it's blinking at KCX now, but the bars are red color, so you need to wait. Now, this morning was clear. The KCX turned to green, wait for the red to yellow to happen, and of course, Ethereum went all the way up. Now, in between, there were several signals, but they didn't end up well. There were some losses here. So we have one win, one big win, and a couple of small losses, okay? A couple of small losses. For Bitcoin, also the same, KCX blink, then that was the first trade that we make money. Then subsequently, it's all right. These two trades, you couldn't enter much because the opening price didn't go, the price didn't go over opening price. Then this one, if we enter, we have stopped out now. Now we're waiting for another trade coming in. All right, now normally when the Bitcoin is coming downtrend, it's below OP, right? Usually we will have to look closer and see, maybe you'll trade a bit of smaller quantity than just jump in just like that. Okay, so anyway, my point is this: for Bitcoin, you just need to be a little bit more patient because this is my view here on Bitcoin. Let's take a look. Now, Bitcoin, as you can see, 2 days ago, it was holding fort. The two lines was there. Then after that, what happened? The market loses the level, loses below the MA11 and MA70, and Bitcoin just slammed, okay? It just slammed. So now you can see for Bitcoin, it's below the MA30, MA11 and MA70. So that is actually pretty damaging. But you look at the chart overall now, take a look. It looks like there is a potential triple bottom somewhere around here. So I'll be watching the market very closely. To me, when Bitcoin go to about 46,000 level, we should be looking at. And based on the last RSI, the way it rebounded, I think there is a high chance. So I believe that, we can see something here soon. Okay, so another couple of days, we should see something able to hold fort, and we see whether the market can give us a buy signal again. So Evan, you are saying about the ETH just now, right? So let me just bring back to you ETH again. Evan now is below pivot 2, pivot 1, and you are saying TCRY at yes, correct. If you go down, if let's say if this Ethereum go down to either KTR -1, -2, or -3 anywhere, and then do a CCRY, you can go for buy later. Okay, Evan? All right, so back to Bitcoin once again. So I believe that we should look about 45,000 level. If the market cannot the 45,500 level, that'll be very interesting to watch already, right? So about 45,500 level around there. Now we are 48,990. So a drop down to here will be quite a good one to watch out for. Okay, so that's why my point is I will not chase after Dogecoin. I'll rather let it slowly come down and then get it cheap. If the market Bitcoin comes off and Dogecoin stay firm, that means that the buying is definitely there and you can actually buy and chase after it. You want to chase only when the market sentiment is strong. Okay, that is the Bitcoin. How about Ethereum? Ethereum now, you can see that I suspected that some resistance here. Now it's pulling back and it's below the MA11 right now. So if based on the chart view, we should see it pulling down to somewhere here because that is an extension of the trend. So maybe about 3,600 level will be a good level to look into Dogecoin, into Ethereum. So about 36 level, 3,600 level. Okay, right, let it pull back a bit, let it stabilize here. If it can, it will go for a new all-time high again. So let's just watch 3,600 first, 3,600 level for Ethereum, okay? All right, so basically that is to cover all the cryptocurrency for today. Now you can go to the second half, which is going to cover we're going to do a recap of what happened today's market. All right, let's go. Okay, China A50 first. China A50, wow, look at it, incredible, right? It seems that on steroid today, went all the broke the MLP, broke above the MA, and went all the way up. So, all right. So, is that something that we don't know, or is it because I told you guys the government funds that came in? So, whichever it is, guys, that is why when the market goes from its base, it's always possible for price to go higher. But did the Hong Kong market benefit out of this? Let's take a look. Well, the Hong Kong market did try to recover, but somehow muted because there's some selling on the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq at the moment. So you can see that the Hang Seng was a bit affected, but who knows? Later on, we see how it goes over there. All right, for the time being now, Hang Seng is pretty flat. This is like the second day doji already. So what I'm seeing that there will be very good chance of a very big movement to come very soon. I don't know which side it goes, but based on the current MA right now, right, it doesn't seem to favor the upside. Okay, now for DAX has just opened and DAX has gap up and is now trading below opening price. It's going to touch back the new BNB high, and there is a MA30 right here. So maybe we'll have to watch if we can forward here around this area. It may start to go up again. All right, so let's look at the other market like this Dow Jones. Now Dow Jones just now went up initially. It went up initially, went all the way up to 34,182. Then some profit taking because Europe came in, right? But it seems to still be holding up because the KSI is still green in color. The Nasdaq tries, went all the way up itself. And now it's being what they call hold back at KTR +2. So likely the Nasdaq is still good to go. Sorry, it's good to go towards the 13,200 level. And last one will be S&P. S&P is now also hovering KTR +1, hovering with the the Nasdaq very closely. So at the moment now, still looks positive. Okay, the market still looks positive, and because it's above OP and above pivot 1. It's generally more to buy than sell, okay? It's generally more to buy than sell, okay? All right, so that is the S&P. We have done the DAX. We've done the China A50. Let's look at gold. Gold is trying to move higher. I already told you guys gold could be a buy soon. I say that as long as the gold stays above OP and above pivot 1 is a buy on gold, right? Because that is how it is. So above OP, above pivot 1, gold should be a buy. And indeed, it's really happening right now. For those that have profited in gold, congratulations, okay? And the last one will be the crude oil. Right, crude oil is still hovering at the MA level, not really moving much, but well, it seems to be, at a comfortable zone at this MA30. Let's see how it goes over there. All right, so that is all for today. I covered almost everything. Did I miss out anything? Did I? I don't think so. I missed out anything. I covered all the crypto too. I covered the commodities, and I also covered all the US equity market and the local Hong Kong market. So I think that's it. All right, guys. So tomorrow, please come on board. You will really enjoy it because there's lots of things to share with you. All right, all the top questions that you really want to ask, you can actually even go live later during a Q&A segment. You can go live and you can ask all your questions that you need to know. All right. Okay, that will be all for today's MAO. I hope you guys like it. Remember, today retail sales is expected to be good, means so-called above average, but I don't think so. I think it will be a shocker today. All right, that will be all for today. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.